In the fur there's something small and light. It's long and brown, not a rock. It's something small and light. It's long and brown. It's a seed. Seeds need to travel far and wide. They sprout in new places and reach for the sky. An apple falls from a tree. It rots on the ground, grows roots and leaves. But the mother tree takes all the sun on rainy days. Its long roots take the water. So seeds need to travel. Some seeds travel inside birds. Birds eat the fruit, fly to a new place, and drop the seeds in their poo. Seeds need to travel. Some seeds travel by sea. A coconut falls from the coconut tree, floats on water, and washes up on a faraway beach. A new coconut tree starts to grow. Seeds need to travel. Squirrels hide seeds for winter snacks. Sometimes they forget where they hid them. In spring, a new tree grows. Seeds need to travel. Ants store seeds in their nests. When they move, the seeds are left behind. Seeds need to travel. Pea seeds in the garden grow and burst, sending seeds flying. Seeds need to travel. Maple tree seeds fly like helicopters on a windy day. Seeds need to travel. Dandelion seeds are blown by the wind to start a new life far away. Seeds need to travel. The blackjack flower makes the seed. Blackjack flower seeds have hooks. They get stuck in animal fur and drop off somewhere new. Seeds need to travel.